Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you people are new here, will all you subscribe my channel. I have my Telegram channel also @ make general science easy. So let's get started. In this video, I am going to discuss question based on human nervous system. Human nervous system is a complex network of nerves and cells that carry messages to and from brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body. The basic purpose of nervous system is to coordinate all the activities of the body. It enables the body to respond and adapt the changes that occurs both inside and outside of the body. The two major parts of the nervous system are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So let's go on question number 1. Question number 1 is, name the system that controls every activity that you do. Your options are nervous system, exocrine system, endocrine system and respiratory system. So your correct answer is nervous system. Nervous system consists of, your options are brain, spinal cord, nerves, all of the above. So your correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following statement is correct about the cerebrum? First, it regulates the muscular movement for locomotion. Second, it is a part of brain. Third, both A and B. Fourth, neither A nor B. So your correct answer is both A and B. Cerebellum is a part of brain and is responsible for coordinating the voluntary movements. Question number 4. Which nerves are attached to the brain and emerge from the skull? The first one, cranial nerves. Second, spinal nerves. Third, thoracic nerves. And the fourth one, sacral nerves. So your correct answer is cranial nerves. Cranial nerves are attached to the brain and emerge from the skull. Move on to the next question. Question number 5. What is the unit of nervous system? Your options are brain, second spinal cord, third neuron and the fourth nerves. So your correct answer is neurons. The basic unit of the nervous system is nerve cell or neuron. Question number 6. A microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent nerves over which nerves impulses pass when going from one neuron to the next is called, your options are neurotransmitter, synapse, axon and D, none of the above. Just try to give the answer in the comment box. Your correct answer is synapse. You just look at the picture, the place where the axons of the neuron meets the dendrite of another is called synapse. Question number 7. Without nervous system we couldn't. Your options are walk, breathe, think, all the above. So your correct answer is all the above. We cannot do anything without nervous system. Question number 8. Pons, cerebellum and medulla are part of which brain? Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, none of the above. Yes, try to give the answer. Your correct answer is hindbrain. As we know, the human brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The hindbrain in the human consists of three parts: pons, cerebrum and medulla. Move on to the next question. Question number 9. Spinal cord originates from which part of the brain? Cerebellum, medulla, pons and cerebrum. So your correct answer is medulla. Spinal cord begins at the bottom of the brain stem at the area called medulla oblongata. Move on to the last question, question number 10. The reflex actions which involves the brain are called stimulus, cerebral reflexes, spinal reflexes, reflex arc. So your correct answer is cerebral reflexes are those reflexes action which involves the brain activity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.